Okay, we're going to show you guys how to install a hose clamp. So we got our purlin right here. We want to line up where this piece connects to this piece right here with this bar with the purlin. And we also have a line right here on the purlin that we want to line up. So line up this one, line up that. We'll get those lined up. And then we cross one here, and then we'll cross one the other way. So, just get this sucker started. Just like that. And then we'll use like my shoulder, push that up, push this over, so it's lined up. And get that as tight as possible. Grab our other one. The opposite way. Make like an X. Tighten that one up. There we go.